Ito na yung hinihintay niyong lahat. I will finally teach you how to get out of that 200 views jail. This is the best solution. Wala nang iba. Kaya isave mo to para hindi mo makalimutan lahat ng sasabihin ko. Because trust me, big creators are going to hate me for exposing this. Okay, wala nang paligoy-ligoy. You have to post 3 times a day for the next 90 days or 3 months. And that's a total of 270 videos. Sir Jason, ang hirap naman yan. 3 beses sa isang araw. That's exactly the reason bakit ka stuck dyan. Now, if you're really serious about your shit, I will tell you the exact content strategy na gagawin mo dun sa 3 post sa loob ng 90 days. Okay, the first type of post is a tutorial video. Any tutorial will do as long as you're educating people about something, but it's always best if it's relevant to your niche. Second type of post is a carousel or photo slides. Make sure it's 3 to 5 photos or photo slides. That could be best recommendations or top 5 of this, top 5 of that. Basta carousel, kahit ano, basta photo slides. The third type of post that you're going to do, if you are an affiliate marketer or someone selling a digital product, is of course your promotional video. Now, if you're just a content creator or nagba-vlog ka, then go to your TikTok search and search Trending News Philippines and then pick one topic na i-green screen mo sa likod or i-stitch mo and then do a commentary about it. If you do this consistently, these type of 3 posts in the next 90 days, you can come back to me and say thank you, Sir Jason. Pero kung hindi pa rin kayo makikinig and you really cannot commit about everything that I've told you, then pasensyahan na tayo. You cannot tell me that you are serious about making content and earning money here on TikTok. And I know for every 100 na nakapanood ng video na to, 5 to 10 people lang ang gagawin yung sinabi ko dito. 90% will surely fail dahil puro reklamo ang gagawin at puro excuses. So if you think you are part of that 10% na seryoso at committed, isave mo tong video na to para hindi mo makalimutan lahat ng sinabi ko. Libre ko nang binigay yan ha, ang kulit nyo.